Hi Choice Kitchen, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who is supporting this channel. If it's your first time to this page and you have not subscribed, please kindly do so and let me know where you're watching from. Stay tuned while we dive into the video. So friends, to begin with, you're gonna heat your pan and add maximum amount of red palm oil to your pot. After the oil has been heated, you want to go in with your chopped onions. So you want to saute the onions for 3 minutes because we don't want it to be too cooked. So after saute, we proceed to the next ingredient, such as pepper. So right now I've just add pepper to my cooking pot. After that, I will give that a good mix. Here is my dry prawns. I'm adding the dry prawns. You just add everything step by step because it's a quick dish. So give that a quick mix. After that, again we want to add a dry baby prawns. It's called crayfish in my language. So also give that a roughly mix as well. Next, go in with salt. And a seasoning to taste. Just throw the Maggi inside and leave it so soft. So friends, next I'll be adding my Ugba. This is the show of the dish. After adding the Ugba, you want to mix together again. So after combining, you want to go straight to add your leaf. So combine the leaf together. So guys, after adding the leaf, you want to leave the leaf to release its own juice. Leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes and our Ugba and onion sauce is ready. So I had this with roasted plantain, or you can as well call it roasted bananas. So as you can see, the banana beside the sauce, it tastes really delicious. If you want to try this recipe, please go ahead and try it and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to comment and like the video. Thank you very much.